You can have a free Canva Pro account using a school email. The first thing that you need to do to get your free Canva Pro account is go to the bottom left, click on your profile, and click on plans and pricing. It then sends you to this tab where you can click on education. And to apply for a Canva Pro account, you need to click here to get verified. It then opens up this window where you can fill in your information so that you can start your application. It asks for a school location, school name, and school email. You need to keep in mind that verified school emails usually end with .edu, your country's domain. Like for example, if you're in Australia, it ends with .edu.au, or if you are in the K-12 program, it ends with .k12. If it does not end with these, it may not work. Once your application gets approved, it should look something like this. When you go to your profile on the bottom left, it should show your school on the bottom of your profile. And just to prove to you that this works, I'm gonna try out the pro features on Canva right now. Let's try removing the background of this picture. As you can see, it really works. And when you go to the Elements tab, you can see this Edu tag on the elements that are usually locked when you're not using Pro. And now you can really use them. So that's how you can get Canva Pro for free using a student email.